Today we're gonna look at the Xiaomi Mi Body Composition Scale 2. Welcome back guys to another tech video with Human and Suited, and today we're going for the grind journey, the fitness journey. So we're gonna incorporate the fitness journey with the tech journey with this Mi Body Composition Scale 2. So with this scale we're gonna sync it with our Xiaomi app on our phone, and we can see our weight, or we're gonna see our fat percentage, our BMI, and other things like that. It's gonna be a really good tool for our fitness journey, the grind. Don't stop, boy. So this is what you get inside the box. We open it up and we get a step by step here. It says open this one first, and then open this side here. So Xiaomi has incorporated a tutorial on how to unbox this scale for all you out there that hear the box itself. So Xiaomi, they are really keen on putting the box in a nice shape here. And this is the scale. We're gonna see what else we got here. We got a box here. Let's open it up. And it has a journal icon, so I think this is the manual. Yes, so this is the manuals and all of that stuff. Really nice of Xiaomi. So nothing more inside this box, so let's open up the scale. Let's take the scale out of the plastic here. And before we take out the scale, I just want to take a minute here on Xiaomi's presentation of the box and like it clean design of the unboxing itself. So now let's see how the scale looks. Wow, it's a really nice design, futuristic design. I really like it. I have to ask Sute, what do you think?
Wow, I'm really impressed. Wow, what a sturdy, nice looking scale. Wow.
And you get the Mi logo here. I really like the first impression of the box unboxing itself and the scale. Wow. Let's turn this on. So unfortunately the Xiaomi didn't deliver this scale with batteries. So we have to plug in some 4 AAA batteries here. Perfect. And now it's blinking. Wow. Let's put the scale on the floor on a flat surface. And let's turn on the device. So now we're inside the Mi Fit app and we're gonna add scale. After you pair this device, the following info will be collected and processed. Weight body composition, body fat ratio, muscle mass, water ratio, basal metabolism, visceral fat level, bone mass, body type, BMI and body score. Agree. Step on the scale to pair. Place the scale on a flat surface. Wow! Wow! 82.55 kilograms! Wow, what a lifetime journey! Wow, fitness journey for human. From 86 kilograms to 82.55 kilograms. I'm so proud of myself. Wow! Let's keep on the journey. So to get my stats, I have to be bare feet in order for the scale to recognize all of my data. So now let's step on the scale here. Weighing in. And now it's measuring. And now we got all of our stats. So we got the body score 63 and my weight 82.40 kilograms. Body fat, we see here 23.8%. I'm a little above average, normal, and we got the water insufficient here. And we got our metabolism here, visceral fat, BMI normal, muscle good, protein good, bone mass normal, but my body age is 34, so I have to do some workout there. Ideal weight for me is 72.10 kilograms, so my body type is a little thick set here, so I'm not overweight, but I'm a little thick set. But I don't think that my body weight should be 72 kilograms, so I must say Xiaomi's measuring is a little off there because me in 72 kilograms I would look like skinny. So I don't know what to say about that, but we get all of the important stats here, so that's good. For this week's episode, we combine the tech community with the fitness community because your health is really important to take care of, especially in these disturbing times out there in the world. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to comment on this video if you have any questions out there in the world. And do not forget to like this video so you can show us some support. Subscribe so you can get our videos on your feed. And the notification bell so you can get notified of our recent uploads. And do not forget who this is. This is
human. And certain.